Now suppose a college class contains 45 students. Of these, 29 are sophomores, 21 are chemistry majors, and 5 are neither. A student is selected at random from the class. Okay? So how do we know anything? We know that some are sophomores and some are chemistry majors, but it doesn't tell us from our formula. From our formula, we need probability of A, probability of B given A, to find A and B. So let's do a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram shows the entire universe as this blue. So the total in the class in this case is 45. We know there's 29 sophomores and 21 chem majors. But the sophomores run into the chem majors here in the middle, and the chem majors run into the sophomores. So we got to try and figure out how many are in the middle. Well, there's 5 students that aren't either. So the rest, take away the 5, is 40. So the 2 circles together make 40. So 29 plus 21 plus our mystery section would add up to 40. So when I move the 40 around, I get 29 plus 21. Take away the grand total. That'll show me how many were counted in both sections, how many were here in the center. So this total plus the other total minus what we know to be the grand total of the circles is going to be how many go in the center. So there's 10 sophomore chemistry majors. 10, oops, what did I do? So in the middle here we get 10 sophomore chemistry majors, and so the probability is 10 out of 45 that a person will be a sophomore chemistry major. Now the second part of the question, given that the student is a sophomore, what is the probability he's also a chemistry major? So now given that he's a sophomore, where he is? Given that he's a sophomore, well, how many sophomores? 29. So we're given only those 29 kids. What's the probability he's also a chemistry major? Well, done up this way, I can see that 10 people are sophomores and chemistry majors. So it's 10 out of the 29 sophomores is what gives me the probability of the B given A, chemistry major, given that he's already a sophomore, would be 10 over 29. What's the probability of a sophomore given that he's a chemistry major? Well, 10 over 21. So the wording of the problem is everything. That'll tell you what you need to focus on.